Acknowledge the presence of the Assistant Minister, both Assistant Ministers. It's a pleasure to have you here, Ministry staff. I'm not going to say junior or senior staff because I think today we just come together and bond in this celebration, a celebration that is bringing us together. I must confess I started the celebration in Parliament today just after we left, so we've kick-started the Holi celebration, and I think we are just one of the ministries. I'm not aware of any other ministry that is actually celebrating Holi, so thank you, staff. Thank you for putting this celebration in front of us. And once again, we are here. I would have loved to see more people, but I guess a lot of people are not here, going on leave and have some other commitment. Thank you for all of you who have dressed up for this function, and I just want to say, when I look across at the colors here, that's who we are. We all are different colors. That's basically what we are, right? And every color has a different, probably, purpose, right? I love the color red. So red sort of is something that cheers people up, brightens you up. I look around, I see very few people wearing red. But regardless of if you wear yellow, purple, black, or blue, you're still you, right? Picking up from the previous speakers, I think she did quite well, justice to why we celebrate and why there are certain things we learn from our children. And that's why at the Ministry of Education, we make sure that schools actually celebrate all festivals. And there's a reason why we give holidays so that the various different communities that follow the cultural practices get an opportunity to dedicate one day to their culture and faith. I've already said in Parliament on Monday, the schools managed by the Hindu faith-based organization will be closed. But I've also said to all those who believe in Holi, who all believe in the Hindu faith, and all those teachers and staff that wish to celebrate, please talk to your heads of department, even here, and heads of schools, so that you can be with your families while we celebrate this festival on Monday. But those that don't need to, please remember your desks will await for you on Monday. Work has to go on. So that is something for you to decide with your school heads and your department heads here. Nevertheless, ladies and gentlemen, coming to that, I think one of the principles of any celebration is trying to teach us about being good people, good humans, you know. It's not about external beauty for me, it's about what you think. Which side is that? This side. It's what's in your heart, right? Who you are, what you believe in, how you treat other people, the thoughts that you have in your heart for others. So Holi is basically about letting go of those evil thoughts that you have. We all are guilty of having that, right? Sometimes we think bad. We are bad people. Yeah, somewhere along the line we think bad about others. We are jealous about others successes, stuff like that. But if we can seriously say that no, we are not that, I don't know, I can't say that. Because evil is inherent in every individual, remember that. There's a novel I did. It says, it's there within us. So celebrations like this allows us to sit back, think and reflect, how do we become a better person the next day? So this Holi, please think about why Hindus burn Holika. Holika represented evil being. So they burnt it, let it go, and the next day probably you wake up being a better person with positive thoughts, positivity, valuing each other, right? Treating each other with respect, helping each other, teaching our children how to treat others. We are a multicultural society with a diverse nature of cultures that exist. People view us differently, we view people differently, but at the end of the day, remember, we are one people. You don't have a right to hurt anybody, and the other person doesn't have a right to hurt you. But it does happen. It does happen. You may have experienced that, how people who are supposed to protect you have a sword behind your back, ready to stab. That's what I'm trying to say. And sometimes we are all guilty of that. So this festival, please spend time with your families. I said one of the sweets that always comes to our mind is gulgula. I didn't hear anybody say that. Whatever you prepare at home as sweets, please share with your neighbors. I'm sure a lot of children will be moving around with plastics. I've experienced that. Invite them home. Invite them home, especially eat okay children. Invite them home, the families who don't celebrate. Share with them what you have. Spare a thought for your neighbors who are sick. Spare a thought for the elderlies who are out there. people who have lost loved ones and are not in a position to celebrate, people who have lost jobs. You know the situation we are in. So this Holi, let's celebrate, but let's celebrate with everybody else. Smile, play with water, colors, whatever you want. This festival comes only once a year. But I'm told that the celebrations will go on for another week or so. I'm told that. So let's all enjoy that and come back safe to work on Monday, those of you who are not celebrating. But I leave it to you how you want to celebrate. So basically, I leave you with this main message: be good to others, respect others, do to others what you want others to do to you. Don't harm anybody. Don't think bad about anybody. And one thing, she mentioned about, she said something about building broken or mending broken relationships. That's, I think, very important. Because we don't know who's going to be here today and who's going to be here tomorrow. We may not be here tomorrow. Something tragic might happen and say, oh, shoo, I should have said something to her when I walked by. So let's do that. But for those of you who are here, I may not know your face, but I do know everybody who works in the ministry, and believe me, I've always said that we treat everybody equally. Always, the doors of my office are always open. Any issues that you have, please come and discuss with us. Okay? And we'll make sure that fairness and justice prevails at all times. We are here to look after your needs, and you are here to support us fulfilling the missions. So I'll just leave you with that.
Guest of honor. We also appreciate the